Forgotten username recovery failed on Tiller Money fix. You tried to log into your Tiller Money account, but the username recovery tool just won't work. It says your account can't be found, even though you know you've used it before. Most people get stuck here because they don't realize Tiller Money uses your Google account to log in. There's no separate username or password. That's right, you sign into Tiller using your Google credentials. So, if recovery fails, it's usually not a Tiller issue, it's a Google account problem. Here's what to do. Go to the Tiller login page and click Sign in with Google. Make sure you're selecting the same Google account you originally used to subscribe or connect your spreadsheets. Many users accidentally use a different Gmail address, which creates confusion. If you're unsure which account is correct, open Google Drive and search for your Tiller spreadsheets. The Google account that owns those files is the one you need to sign in with. If you still can't find your data, check any old Tiller billing emails or update notices. The to address on those emails is the one linked to your account. Once you confirm the right Google login, you'll regain instant access, no separate recovery needed. But if you deleted or lost access to that Google account, you'll need to contact Tiller support. Provide them with your subscription details or the payment email you used. They can help migrate your account to a new Google login. The surprising truth is, most failed recoveries happen because of multiple Gmail accounts, not system errors. Once you identify the correct Google ID, everything falls back into place. So if your username recovery fails on Tiller Money, don't panic, just sign in through the right Google account, and your budgeting sheets will reappear instantly.